for Royal Posh. She's in. They're all in the gate. They're off. Princess Freebie going for the lead. From the outside, there goes Bent Missile, moving up along the inside. That's Lock and Lola. Then along the rail, Sassy Kiss, followed by Royal Posh. Somali Bird is the early trailer. They're well bunched. Approaching the half-mile pole, Lock and Lola now moving on through to put her head in front. Bent Missile out there second, and there goes Sassy Kiss up along the inside third. Princess Freebie between horses fourth. Royal Posh three wide fifth, and trailing Somali Bird. Midway around the turn, Lock and Lola the leader. Bent Missile right there challenging second. Towards the inside, Sassy Kiss third. Far outside, Royal Posh. Princess Freebie, no place to go between horses. Somali Bird needs to make up 7 in the final quarter mile. Bent Missile 3 deep along the inside. Sassy Kiss found racing her, and here she comes. Princess Freebie now coming on with a rush. That's Sassy Kiss along the inside getting the lead. Princess Freebie on the outside with Bent Missile between those two in the final 70 yards. Sassy Kiss, Princess Freebie on the outside coming on, but Sassy Kiss has the lead at the wire. Sassy Kiss beat Princess Freebie, then it was Bent Missile and Lock and Lola. In today's third race, 1, Sassy Kiss finished first. 4, Princess Freebie was second. 5, Bent Missile finished third. 3, Lock and Lola fourth. Numbers on the board, 1, 4, 5, 3. Please hold all tickets. The results are official. Running time 110.76. Today's third race is official. Running time 110.76, and the winner's circle here is 1, Sassy Kiss. Sassy Kiss is owned by Royal Colors Racing, Limited Liability Corporation of Mike Rose. Brett Calhoun, the winning trainer. Tim Thornton, the winning rider.